Yeah, Daddy took your bow away. He sure did.
Oh my, oh my.
I'm a hungry little monkey. He said, what happened to my bow? Oh, bless you. Oh, she did this last time too. Uh-oh. Bless you. Ready?
Go say, Baby Jin, are you eating yet? Are you eating yet? Because I'm getting better now.
Okay, I'm going too slow. Mommy's going too slow. Oh my goodness.
You keep making her turn to the left.
What do you mean? Oh, with my spoon? Okay.
Mommy should try going straight on.
I don't know why I was doing that.
Go see, it's falling out of your mouth.
Seems so like a daddy over there.
Could you start swallowing it?
Okay.
Could you start swallowing it?
Yummy. He just slurped. He's a little slurping baby.